This is test video number 17. Today we will be draining the water heater, trying to get the water heater and furnace out so I can reposition everything, make it look better, function better, have more access to the water lines because some reason I put them behind the water heater. It's the only time I've ever done it. It's hotter than heck in here. My main goal, first thing to do is obviously rearrange the utility room so I can put the furnace back together and get AC in the building ASAP because it is like 80 some degrees in this building. Terrible. And it's like one of the last apartments that doesn't have the condenser because the previous tenant did not want it in there. I don't know why. I bought it. They just sitting there. They just didn't want it, so now I get to install it. Yippee! Again, not a sponsor, but I've been listening to Manifest Destiny today. Basically, Stargate-y theme, but with magic. Give it a listen if you think you like that book. I definitely do. This is the old return. I am going to remove it, put the furnace along the right wall, and then it will recirculate in from the kitchen. It'll have the same effect. I'm debating on how to do it, but I think I came up with an idea. The sheetrock that we're moving now I will have to replace, but where that 2x4 is will be the wall, and the washer and dryer hookup will be. I'm gonna do something different. I struggle with the dryer hookups because you have the recess box that goes in the 2x4 wall, and that looks nice and all, but the hose still makes it sticks out. So I think I'm going to recess like a little nook behind the dryer so the hose just crinkles up back there and you can shove it back further. We're going to try it out. I think it's going to work the way I want it to, and it'll make it look a lot nicer. I was struggling in the heat. The GoPro was also really struggling in this heat. It keeps on turning off because of overheating. So sometimes I don't notice it, or sometimes I let it sit for a while. So sometimes you'll see a little cut in and cut out randomly. But yeah, that's because the GoPro is overheating and I'm overheating. It's holy moly, it's hot.
We never think about you and me, but today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come, but sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been freaking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been freaking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water.
As I said in this last video, this 2x6 wall is not load bearing. The only load it's carrying is the ceiling itself, and I have a 2x4 wall to the left of me or behind me currently, and on the far side. So really, this wall is doing nothing. I'm still gonna make it look nice and function properly as if it was load bearing. Well, not to the capabilities of holding up a roof with snow load, but yeah, it's not load bearing, so there's no issue really at all. I don't know what it was, but this water here was so heavy. I haven't been doing the best jobs at coming in every year and cleaning out the silt. This one probably hasn't been cleaned out in all, and it's like 5 years old, so I think that was the problem, because I tipped it over and water came out, but it wasn't a lot. Also, the drain is super high, so you might have 10 gallons in the bottom still, but it shouldn't be that heavy. So I think it's full of silt, but also you can't get the silt out because the drain is so high. It's annoying, but oh well, it is what it is.
lie. You're into me, I'm into you, but they still got a chance.
Only time the day is one. Slowly dancing and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. My simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, the sun slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and
Shortly here, you'll see me trying to just cut up the floor, because this big white 3/4 inch line is the supply. So it's currently live. I can't really get into the other apartments because I made a mistake and put the shut off all in somebody else's apartment. I will probably change that here so I can access it whenever. But I was trying to cut the hole out big enough so I can put the whole valve down through. I eventually gave up, and I am going to just turn it off, clip it, pull it down through, and then put it back up where I need it next Friday. Makes my life a lot easier, and I was exhausted of the heat, so I called it a day.
quiet laugh, the softest breeze. The world's at peace in moments like these. I sip my coffee, feel the warmth inside, letting the day just gently glide. The sun dips low, the shadows play. Everything slows down, it's the perfect day. With every breath, the calm sinks in. This is where my joy begins. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, the sun slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. In these sweet moments, life feels new. And all I need.
Hopefully you enjoyed this shorter video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff that people like to talk about. Tell your buddies or something about me. Yeah, it would make my life a lot easier, not working 2 other jobs on top of YouTube. So deuces.